democracy looks like.
Show me what democracy looks like.
This is what democracy looks like.
Well, this is the United States Constitution. All these people here today, all these people are exercising their rights under the First Amendment. The right of assembly, freedom of speech.
Came out today to speak out against all of the atrocities that have been happening recently, and specifically with immigration and with ICE. And honestly, the world's a beautiful place because of the diversity that's in it.
The right to protest their government.
I'm here to express the fact that I loathe and despise this person. And if anybody asked me what good he was, I couldn't come up with one reason.
But it's the whole package.
Well, I came over here because I want to say enough is enough, and our neighbors, anybody, it's our neighbors. We can say no to them.
Donald Trump has got to go. Hey, hey. Ho-ho. Donald Trump has got to go.
I came here today to save democracy. Woo!
Explain to me, why would you support an administration that would take money from healthcare, from the less fortunate, and give it to the wealthy? Why would you support an administration that is blatantly telling you this is what we're doing? We're going to support the wealthy and forget about the poor, middle class, the disenfranchised.
I'm here to fight against what Trump has done to our country. It's despicable. He's a dictator, and there's no reason that we should suffer with a guy like that in the White House.
I want to curse, and you probably don't want me to curse, right? Okay, so because we've got to put an end to this guy, an end to this guy and everything he represents.
Our rights are under attack. All of our rights, our constitutional rights are being eroded away daily.
Donald Trump has got to go. Hey, hey. Ho-ho. Donald Trump has got to go. Hey, hey. Ho-ho. Donald Trump has got to go. Hey, hey.
No KKK, no fascists, USA.
I'm here today because I'm concerned about my future, retirement, Social Security, Medicaid, Medicare. I have grandchildren. I'm just concerned about our future.
Love it.
That's amazing.
Is that custom? It says no kings. 1773, they had the Boston Tea Party. 2025, we have no kings. Let's do it. That's exactly what it says. No kings. B period. Nothing else. No kings.
No kings.
No dictators.
No kings. No dictators.
I came today to show support because I love my country. I'm a proud American. I don't like where we're at right now. You know, there's a lot of people hurting, and it doesn't seem like the people in Washington, neither side, whether you're left or right,
They're very un-American right now.
I am here because I'm an American. I believe in America, its principles, and I've had enough with everything that's gone on.
I'm here today because I'm fed up. I've had just about enough, and I can't sit home on the couch watching television any longer!
There's only three kings: Martin Luther King, Carole King, and Gail King.
I don't know how we got here, but we're here now, so we got to make things right. Keep protesting, keep voting, don't stop.
Why are you here today? I'm here today because our president is violating the Constitution, and I'm not a fan of that, really. I think we're built on rule of law. That's the important thing about our country. It's why we're so great, and I think we can't let that happen. Woo! No kings, baby! No kings in America!